Oh, hi everybody. Today we're back with another video. Today I'm going to be ordering something online on my iPod. This isn't actually online. This is just watch the whole way through to see what this is all about. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Noah from SamLB12 here. Today I have to order it. This isn't a real order, pretending, but just watch the whole way through. Doesn't matter. Brother's also building something. I'll do another video about Lego City later. That's not what I'm doing. He's building. So today I'm going to just add to cart and purchase. Should be here in a few secs. So yeah, that's phone, iPod really, screen's on. So yeah. Whoa! What is this? This is exactly what I just got. It's it's a Lego City Garage Center. It's 234 pieces. The number is 60232. Here's a look at the front of the box. Can't see my recording or anything because, well, it's on my iPad. I can't see. So that's this. It is for ages 4 and up. Right there in the bottom, 4 and up. No, it's backwards, but this is a recording. Sorry about that. Here's a look at the back of the box. Yeah. Same spot that we did our other Lego unboxings in. Same place. Okay, so yeah, let's unbox this thing. Here's another look at the front of the box. It's a garage center. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me just go grab my scissors. I'll be right back. Lego set. It was the, oh shoot, why is it backwards? Who put it backwards? It is the garage center. As you can see, we have our car wash, gas area. We got the tow truck here with the garbage can. There's a car that just entered. There are these top lights. They go up and down. There's a sign. My last part, if you saw in the video, is this gas pump. And then here's is this the news here? Nope. Fell off. Hold on one sec. Not actually, hold on 1 second. So here's another minifigure. Right here. He also has another face. So if I turn it, also has an angry face. So yeah, that's that for right now. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, that guy's name was Harold Hobbs. It's on the box. If you guys would like to get this, come up to Halliburton, go into the town where Cozy Corner is, and McKex, and then you'll see a store of pool noodles and baby pools outside. Then go in there and you'll be able to find this in the Lego section, and make sure to leave us the link to your video if you make one, or send it to or put it on YouTube and send the link, or just send the link, make it a private video for the link or whatever. So yeah, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you don't, this is what will happen. You will have diagnosed with non-liking the video. Phone me up. So, like my video now, and you will be clean, and you won't be with that whatever it is. I don't know what it is. I just made it up. So yeah, I know you want to. So hope you guys enjoyed that video once again. First comment on the last video will be, if you comment first on this video, your comment will be shown on the next video that we have here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time. Bye. I'm out. Yeah. Adios. We'll have something else for you in a sec.